Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. I am Rohan, your traveling buddy, and today I am going to start a new series on my channel, and this is the tutorial series. And in this series I am going to show you tips and tricks about how to shoot the videos and how to edit them in post processing to make your videos look much better and way more cinematic. So this is the day 1 and tutorial 1 of the series. So I will start with a very easy technique which is used by most of the filmmakers, and this is a life-saving trick, and this makes your videos look much more cinematic. You might have seen in the starting of the video I have made added some cinematic bars. These bars are added in a very few steps, and it's very easy to add them, and after adding them the video looks really much more cinematic. So without wasting our time, let's jump to the Premiere Pro and start editing, and let me tell you how to do this. So now we are here on the Premiere Pro. What you need to do is go to the file explorer and search for your video which you want to be added. Now my video is in the downloads, and here it is. So I will put it in my timeline here, and now I will go to the project untitled and hit the new item and go to the adjustment layer and hit OK, and bring the adjustment layer on the top of it. Now I will drag the adjustment layer like this, and now I will go to the effects and I will search for the effect crop, CROP, and here it is, and put it on the adjustment layer. Now this is my crop. Here it has arrived. Now we need to crop the video at the top and bottom. Select the 12%, it is a standard. Now it's looking way much more cinematic. Now you can adjust your coordinates of videos so that a video should look proper. The subject should be properly placed between the two bars. So what you need to do is simple. Just go to the video and now select the coordinates of the video, move it down or up, whatever you wish to, and if you want you can scale it somewhat and like this, and it looks perfect right now. So this is the view after putting the bars, but here is no animation like you have seen in the starting of the video. So what you need to do is just go back to the starting of the video, and now select on the adjustment layer and select the crop and you can now look at here it is 12. Just reset the bottom. Now hit the toggle clock button on both the top and bottom, and go to the point where you want the animation to be completed, and now you can select 12% here and 12% here. So you will find the animation like this. At this point you will get the complete animation. So here we go. This is the animation, and that's it for today guys. Hope you all liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and comment. If you have any doubts, then comment in the comment section below. I will be answering each and every comment. Thank you so much for watching.